Make your own super easy tortilla pizzas that are great for afternoon snacks and quick lunches at home. They are very easy to customize with your favorite toppings. You'll need a jar of pizza sauce, flour tortillas, cheese, and additional toppings. Set your oven to 350 degrees. Place your flour tortilla on a baking sheet. Spread the sauce evenly across each tortilla. Sprinkle a thin layer of cheese on top of the sauce and add any other toppings that your kids like. Bake until the cheese is melted. After your pizza has cooled, slice and serve. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.